Well, I'm going to replace this gear. This is part 2 of this wiper video. There's a wee dash plate there. The gear has to be turned upside down. So doing a wee bit more on this clamp to reduce the size of this. And we should be able to just swing this out of the way. So this is a new gear put in. There's washers going there, and there's a kind of circlip arrangement that goes into a groove there, which you squeeze in with one of those pliers like that. We now turn it upside down, feed it back in the hole like that. It's at the faraway position, and then I can attach the cable to the swing gear. Get the kitchen roll out the way first. I'm going to have to take that off there and then drop that onto that. Anyway, I'll take photographs. So you see the arm is now connected, so the plate can go on once this circlip gets replaced. That washer goes on there like that. And you can replace that circlip. Of course I can't do it and hold the camera, so I'll just have to do photographs. I think that's a success. Well, I'm going to replace this gear. This is part 2 of this wiper video. There's a wee dash plate there. The gear has to be turned upside down. So doing a wee bit more on this clamp to reduce the size of this, and we should be able to just swing this out of the way.